Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the most amazing barbecue sauce. Don't forget to watch to the end, folks. I'll show you a really useful way of storing this barbecue sauce so you have it for future use. Here's our ingredients. We have star anise, cloves, sweet paprika, ground ginger, white pepper, garlic, salt, granulated sugar, soft brown sugar, 6 small onions or 3 large onions, chili sauce, black treacle, honey, lemon, cider vinegar, plum tomatoes, oil, teriyaki sauce and Worcester sauce. Let's roughly chop these onions. First prize for chopping your onions as fast as me, here's a pack of plasters. You're going to need them. Grind our star anise and clove. And just have all the ingredients ready. We're going to open our tins of tomatoes in preparation. Crush and chop our garlic. We're putting 4 tablespoons of oil into a pan which is on a medium heat. Into that, our onions are going to go and we're going to fry them off. Now, this is a key step for this sauce. We need to keep these onions moving. We want them to brown, but we certainly don't want them to burn. And we'll keep stirring them until we get the desired colour. Once the onions are nice and brown, we can introduce the garlic. Don't want to do that too early in case it gets bitter. The onions are now ready, and into this we can add our tomatoes, and we're putting all 4 tins in at the same time. Now, these tomatoes are whole, so I'm going to break them up with the paddle. Now we can add the sugars, and we'll give this a little stir to get them incorporated. 2 tablespoons of cider vinegar, you can add more if you want to. 4 tablespoons of teriyaki sauce, and 1 teaspoon of chili sauce. 2 tablespoons of honey, and 2 tablespoons of black treacle. The juice of half a lemon, and then we give that a good old stir. To that we can add all our remaining dry ingredients, all the herbs, spices and the salt. And then finally give that a really good stir.
We'll let this simmer now for a couple of hours and let this reduce down. When it's nice and thick, we'll do the next stage, which is just allowing it to cool for a while, and then we'll blitz it to a very, very smooth, fine sauce.
With the sauce now at room temperature, we can start to put it into our blitzer to blitz it into a really nice, smooth, unctuous sauce. Once we've done the whole batch, we can then pass it through a sieve to remove any fine bits in that sauce so that we're left with a beautifully smooth finished sauce. Don't forget to remove it all, and we're ready to bottle. On goes the cap, and there you have it. that's our barbecue sauce. Done. That's the sauce done. Let's give it a taste. Well, here it is. Let's give it a taste. That's really delicious. You get the onions and the tomato flavour. I mean, the onions come through really nicely. You get that lovely sort of caramelised onion flavour. And then there's a hint of chilli at the back. But those aromats, the star anise and the clove, really do come through. Well, listen, that's a great sauce. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll leave all the details and the recipe in the description. Let me know about your barbecue sauce in the comments and leave your recipe too. I did say at the end of this video I was going to show you a particularly interesting way of storing this sauce so that you've got it throughout the whole year and you can freeze it nice and safely. I store the sauce in these vacuum bags and then I pull a vacuum and get it in the freezer. Now, you'll see that the bag has been half filled with barbecue sauce, and I've folded the edge over so that I don't spill any on the lip that's going to create the seal. I open the vacuum sealing machine, lock it closed, and then I quickly draw a vacuum and cancel it, and then put a heat seal on it. You don't want to draw that vacuum for any longer than you need to. As soon as it's sealed, cancel it, it comes out, and there you have it. These can now go onto a chopping board, into the freezer, and freeze nice and flat. Always label them so you know what it is and you know how long it's been in the freezer. So you can just pull it out, defrost it, and when you're ready to use the sauce, all you need to do once it's defrosted is to snip the corner and refill your bottle with sauce. Well, there you go. What could be easier? It's a great way of storing your sauce. Hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.